Hi.
Hello.
So please introduce yourself.
I'm Reza, CEO and founder of Vuereal, a micro-LED platform company in Waterloo, Canada.
So why these displays you're showing right here? Why does it look so good? What do we see here?
So these are using very small LEDs, few kind of 10 micron LEDs, and because they are so small, and now you can do a lot more in the pixels. So you can make them very transparent. You can integrate high contrast black matrix to make the display very contrasty, or you can put mirror and create mirror with the display. So we also demonstrated you can do solar for power generation, you can do sensors. So this our manufacturing platform allows to do multifunctional surfaces, which makes the display much more valuable for current modern electronics.
So I've been doing videos for 22 years and I really love technology, the opportunity that it gives to do all kinds of interesting projects. And it sounds like the micro LEDs can really enable interesting new things.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And when you can integrate all these between the pixels, between the dots, you add different things and you make something different?
Yes. So our business model is actually allowing modular production. So we are thinking ourselves as the printer, so that you buy the printer and we ship you micro LED, micro sensors, micro chiplet cartridge, and you can make your product. So the micro LED allows modular production of the displays anywhere in the world, and it also allows integration of the functional devices into the surface. So we think by enabling that, we're gonna give people an opportunity to make hardware in a much rapid way as they were doing software. So they're gonna come up with a lot of advanced application, like health system, when you can integrate different sensors, robotics, when you need a lot of sensor integration to create autonomy, to create sensing. So this is going to change the way we manufacture and we make advanced semiconductor applications.
So how could you create a design like these little printers that can be in every city or something like that, that kind of enable people to create special projects, what you're talking about? Mm-hmm.
So what we do, we leverage existing infrastructure to make the devices and to make our cartridge. And the only thing that our partners need to do is to just buy the printer, and we ship them the cartridge and they can make the product. So they don't need to do huge capital investment. Because we are leveraging existing infrastructure, existing foundries, it's very easy to scale to high volume. So we eliminate the initial setup cost from the production, and therefore it's much easier for a small to medium to large entity to enter into this market.
You say the power of micro-solid printing.
Yes.
So it's really just a printer you're talking about?
Yeah, it's literally, if you come to our office, it's a small tool, relatively a small tool that we load our LEDs and the substrate, and it's print on the surface.
Like one of these HP printers from 20 years ago?
Something like that.
Like one of these office printers, a little bit bigger?
A little bit bigger, yeah. A little bit bigger, a little bit more expensive, but the same idea.
And this comes out of it?
Yes. All this made in Waterloo, Canada.
And so how about different sizes, different shapes, different...
Yes, so we have a private demo room that we have 10-inch. We have lighting in different shapes. We have a smartwatch with very high resolution, so you can produce any product. And
what you talked about direct view. You focus on the direct view, not the micro LEDs.
Micro displays. Yeah, so our business model, as I mentioned, is to enable companies integrate different devices and create different applications. Micro display it wasn't too compatible with our business model. And therefore, it needed a completely different setup, different approach, which was distracting us from our main goal. And that's why we decided to focus primarily on this. So we think this platform would allow companies to go beyond displays, do sensor integration for health. So if you look at what the trends that are happening today in the world, the AI, autonomy, robotics, personalized health, they all have one thing in common. They need tons of sensors, and they need tons of sensor integration. And this platform allows to do exactly that. So this is not just a display manufacturing platform, it's a 3D integration of micro semiconductors.
Can you talk a little bit about what makes your micro-LEDs different? Or what did
mainly
you think of?
is coming in our processing in manufacturing setup that we do. Because we are building cartridges out of the LEDs, we can do binning, inspection, we can tune them so that when customers start making device, they know that those LEDs, they are to the spec, to the requirement that they need.
And at MicroLEDs, people have been talking about it at the Display Week for a few years, huh? And is it totally the future of displays?
That's what I believe it's going to be. As the volume goes up and the cost goes down, it's going to be very challenging for other displays to compete. There will be always other displays. I mean, OLED, for example, doing great, but still there is LCD. It would be the same, but micro-LED is going to enable a lot of new functions, like sensing integration, biometrics integration into the displays that you will not get from other displays.
How about bigger ones? How big you want to do?
So we are more...
At the show, I saw some 42-inch. Can I, like in one sheet and not modules and stuff like that?
Yeah, you could do that. That's not the market we are pursuing. We are more pursuing a small to medium size because I think that's where there is a lot more opportunity than the large displays.
And when people just have an interesting idea for a project, boom, they could use this kind of display.
Exactly. Even today, they can go on our website, they can order this as a design reference kit, and they can produce their application. So even today, they can get access to micro-LED through our website. They can get our 10-inch, the 3.5-inch, the watch, the lighting.
How long time does it take before it gets super, like a great pricing, affordable kind of?
So at volume, we can now even produce them affordable. So the lighting solution that we make for customers, right now we are scaling our facility to produce them at volume, and it's going to be affordable.
If I see such a beautiful little display here, you cannot say like how much it costs or something like that?
So it depends on the volume. It's all function of volume.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.